Hey, what's up, Ankr coin holder? So this is live price prediction of Ankr coin, but please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification to every strict channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. In those days, my friends, a lot of coins were very badly fell down. The price is very badly decreased now, but Ankr coin is not of them. Ankr coin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and definitely the current condition of Ankr coin is also very good now. 8.67% the price is increased. So I am so happy and I am really excited, my friends, for this huge profit. And the highest price, as you can see here, 0.12 USD dollar, but this time the current price is 0.10 USD dollar. So that's mean to the price is very badly falls down, and definitely you can see, my friend, the lost is here now after a very huge jump, my friends. When, my friends, you can see here at the end of month every coin will move upward, so therefore this coin will also move upward. But on the start of next month, my friends, all coins were very badly falls down, because, my friends, he is lost now. So this time absolutely when a holder are starting selling, so they were lost now. So therefore I will notify you to please don't starting selling in a wrong time, my friend. Definitely every coin, my friend, will fails down if a holder are starting selling in wrong time. So therefore I will notify you to don't starting selling in a wrong time. Otherwise, my friend, we were all lost now, and absolutely, my friend, we will never get a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.